question number 40. A star has a parallax angle of 10 power minus 2 arc second at the orbit of the Earth. What is the distance the Sun to the star? Now, what is that we do? See, whenever we get something in terms of arc second, parallax angle in arc second, we represent this as a 10 power minus 2 arc second. We can find out the distance from here in terms of parsecs using the formula d is equal to 1 by p. 1 by p. So what I will do is I'll just substitute over here 10 power minus 2, which would be equal to 100 parsecs. Okay, the distance of the Sun to the star is given by 100 parsecs. It's a very standard formula that we have. You just need to know this one over here. Provided that, okay, you'll get this unit parsecs. Provided that this p is nothing but your parallax angle, which is represented in terms of the arc second. So the answer should be 100 parsecs. Let us say, for example, I give you one more problem. Something like, let us say this angle is given by something like 1 arc second. 1 arc second. 1 arc second is the parallax angle. Then find out what is the distance between the Sun and the star. If that was the question, once again, what I will do is I'll write d is equal to 1 by 1, and I will say the distance is going to be 1 parsec. Okay, 1 parsec. So this is how you are able to solve it.